while the remaining 40% is used for juice. However, farmers have yet to find a mechanical method that doesn't damage the fruit, so handpicking remains the only option. Farmers carefully pick each fruit to keep the peel intact and preserve its freshness. Similar to citrus harvesting, kiwi fruits are harvested with great care. Farmers skillfully pick bunches of ripe kiwis, carefully placing each one quickly into a bag. Once full, the bags are emptied onto nearby trucks for easy transport. During the harvest, they also remove excess leaves in order to maintain fruit quality. This marks the first step in creating the renowned Valpolicella wine of Italy. Grapes are typically harvested at night when temperatures are lowest, helping to preserve natural acidity and enhance fruity flavours. Special lighting systems support skilled workers as they selectively harvest only the finest grape clusters. A team of specialised vehicles slowly moves along the rows as harvesters bend down to cut each cauliflower head and place it on a conveyor belt. While harvesting, they remove leaves and any damaged florets in order to ensure only top quality cauliflower is collected. The entire process is smooth and coordinated, reflecting the teamwork required for efficient harvesting. Many farms in California still rely on large-scale manual harvesting methods. During the onion harvest season, dozens of workers move in rhythm across the fields. Standing in lines or bending over, they carefully pull each onion from the soil. After harvesting, workers trim off the roots and leaves with knives before quickly dropping the onions into nearby bins or sacks. Next, we will see a stunning harvest process where farmers take turns chopping, catching, carrying, and then transporting in perfect coordination. When a banana bunch is ready, one farmer cuts the stem while another catches the heavy bunch on their shoulder before quickly carrying it to an overhead cable system. This process requires both physical strength and synchronized teamwork. Durian harvesting is a potentially dangerous task, requiring absolute coordination. Farmers must climb high in the trees and use knives to cut the heavy, spiky fruit. As soon as the durian is cut, it is dropped from the tree, where another person below catches it with a sack just in time. They must avoid any impact that could damage the fruit or cause injury to themselves. Around 35 farmers are working here. They bend down to pull out each sweet potato from the soil, gently brushing off dirt and placing them into buckets. When full, the bucket is quickly brought to the truck where the sweet potatoes are passed hand to hand and emptied into large containers. The whole process runs smoothly and quickly, demonstrating the farmer's endurance and efficiency across vast fields. Celery is harvested right in the fields with the help of specialised vehicles equipped with conveyor belts. Workers bend down to cut the celery stalks close to the base, then quickly place them onto the moving belt. Other workers remove excess leaves and carefully pack the celery boxes right on the spot to maintain freshness. Each year, Spanish farmers harvest around 385 million pounds of plums for drying into prunes. What makes plum harvesting for drying unique is the timing. It must be just right. If picked too early, the fruit won't be sweet enough. Too late, and the plums might crack and become difficult to dry. Farmers closely observe the skin colour and plumpness in order to determine the perfect moment. Mexico currently consumes and exports around 1.8 billion pounds of nopal each year. Farmers usually harvest early in the morning in order to preserve freshness. Each pad is carefully selected, typically 7 to 9 inches long. It must meet standards for tenderness, thickness, and lack of sharp spines. After cutting, the nopal is packed into crates and transported to the processing facility. Harvesting prickly pears requires caution and precision, as the fruit's outer skin is covered in tiny spines that can easily cause injury. Farmers use special tongs to gently pluck each fruit with care. In addition, they often wear thick rubber gloves in order to protect their hands during harvesting. Once picked, the prickly pears are carefully placed into buckets to prevent bruising and prepare them for transport. Out in the fields, farmers walk while bending down to pick up ripe pineapples, quickly tossing them into the baskets strapped behind their backs. Without stopping, they use a precise throwing technique until the baskets are full. The workflow is continuous and fast-paced. At the end, the pineapples are loaded onto trucks for transport to the packing facility. The harvest of dried red dates, a specialty of China, is done in a very unique way. Farmers use sticks to strike the tree branches, causing the dates to fall to the ground. The fruits are then neatly lined up using wind blowers. Next, vacuum machines are used to quickly collect the dates, reducing the need for manual labour. India is the world's largest papaya producer, with an annual yield of around 11.7 billion pounds. Despite the scale, there's no rush or chaos in the papaya orchards. Each fruit is gently hand-picked and placed into carts. The papayas are then arranged into tidy piles, ready for the next stage of transport. During cherry harvest season, farmers start working early in the morning while it's still cool. Each cherry is handpicked with great care to avoid damaging nearby fruits or bruising the thin skin. Although the harvest is completely manual, the pace is quick and consistent. Skilled farmers select cherries that are just ripe and still have their stems attached for better preservation. Across vast fields covered in bell pepper plants, farmers harvest manually. Walking in rows between the crops, they pick each firm, glossy pepper and place it into the plastic buckets that they carry. Once full, the buckets are brought to collection points where the peppers are sorted into boxes ready for market. The Red River Valley is the largest sugar beet growing region in the US, accounting for around 44% of the national production, thanks in large part to the precision and power of modern machinery. As the machine moves through the field, blades lift the beets from the soil. Then, an integrated system shakes off the dirt and trims the tops. The clean beets are carried up a conveyor belt and deposited into a large holding bin at the rear, which can store several tons in a single pass. Raspberry harvesters travel down rows of fruit-laden bushes. Flexible plastic rods extend from either side of the machine, shaking gently to dislodge the ripe berries. Workers remove leaves and unripe fruit, while the raspberries are placed into plastic trays to prevent bruising. In spring and autumn in France, spinach is harvested with high-efficiency machines. Equipped with ground-level cutting blades, the machines gently trim the spinach stems. Immediately after cutting, the spinach is lifted into collection bins, where strong air jets blow away dust and filter out small debris. Blackcurrant harvesters slowly move between the rows, with arms designed to hug the plants for maximum access to ripe fruit. Inside the machine, rotating shafts gently vibrate, causing ripe cherries to fall off without damaging the bushes. The berries drop onto a conveyor belt, where they are pre-sorted before being transferred into side containers. Cranberry harvesting is performed entirely on the water, a unique and iconic image, especially in North America. Harvesters move slowly through the red water, and a rotating drum gently dislodges the berries, pushing them together. The cranberries are then suctioned through pipes and conveyor belts into collection chutes. Using water flow and a rotating mechanism, the berries float directly into large holding bins, ready for the next stage of processing. Because date palm trees grow very tall, harvesters must stand on specialised mechanical lifts in order to reach the high-hanging fruit clusters. Once they're within reach, farmers carefully handpick each ripe date and place it neatly onto trays to ensure the best quality. Others gently shake the fruit cluster so that the dates fall directly onto mesh bags tied below, saving time and effort while still collecting a large yield. Once the leaves turn brown and wilt, it is a signal for the perfect time for harvest. Machines move along the trellises, shaking plastic rods to detach the dried grapes. These raisins fall and are collected on a conveyor belt running beneath the harvester. Some vineyards use netting systems that increase yield by allowing grapes to dry on the vine. The gentle shaking also minimises damage to the vines during the harvesting process. Potato harvesters roll across the fields, gently digging into the soil to lift roots and tubers to the surface. Conveyor belts carry the potatoes through various stages of cleaning, removing dirt and debris. The machines are equipped with sensors that sort the potatoes by size and quality right there in the field, ensuring only the best make it through. Every year, farmers in Texas harvest around 5 billion pounds of cotton. Thanks to advanced technology, the process is fast and highly efficient. The harvester gently wraps around each fluffy white boll, protecting the delicate cotton fibres. Inside the machine, rotating and combing systems separate the cotton from the bolls quickly and precisely, while seeds and impurities are removed on the spot. Now we arrive at the rose fields, where farmers handpick each bloom with great care. They do this to avoid bruising the petals and preserve the flower's natural fragrance. Each rose is harvested just as it fully opens, capturing its peak freshness and vibrant colour. This manual method ensures top quality flowers for high value products like essential oils and perfumes. Lavender harvesters glide along rows of blossoms, precisely cutting full, healthy bunches without damaging the plants. A freshly cut lavender is immediately transferred onto the machine's conveyor belt. These harvesters boost productivity while maintaining the flower's natural scent and delicate appearance. In the cabbage fields of the Netherlands, massive harvesting machines operate like mobile cabbage factories. The machine head gently pulls the cabbages from the ground, while on board, excess leaves are trimmed and the heads are sorted before being loaded onto storage bins for long-term preservation. This means fresh, crisp cabbage is available even in the heart of winter. Most sweet corn is harvested using modern machinery. These harvesters are equipped with specially designed cutting heads that cleanly remove the ears of corn from the stalks without breaking or damaging them. As the machine moves, it automatically separates the ears and places them into a storage compartment. In 2024, the US sweet corn industry reached an estimated production value of around $993 million for both fresh and processed markets.